Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Working Solutions is currently hiring. I will put the link in the description for this particular job, guys. That way you can come and take a look at all the open opportunities that Working Solutions has. This is for a customer support representative, intuitive TurboTax remote. Working Solutions seeks helpful and techie savvy independent contractors for a one-of-a-kind opportunity providing customer support to Intuit TurboTax customers, all from the comfort of your home with the ability to create your own schedule. In this role, you will assist customers with software navigation, help customers locate prior returns and amendments, and escalate calls when necessary. You will assist customers via various support systems and support channels, phone support with video chat capability, traditional chat support. Why join the Woohoo crew? There are many perks to contracting with Woohoo Crew, which is the Working Solutions, work from home. Say goodbye to commuting hassles and hello to the convenience of working from home when it's convenient for you. Flexible is the name of the game. Schedule your own hours and enjoy the freedom of creating a schedule that works best for you. Gain experience in different industries, expand your skill set and broaden your horizons while providing exceptional customer service, supportive environment. And the earning potentials is earn up to $19 an hour. Contractors on this program who meet or exceed key metrics earn an average of the equivalent of $16 to $19 during peak times, and $15.60 to $17.50 hours during the non-peak times. Peak rates apply January through April. Contractors are guaranteed a minimum of 45 minutes of each hour if available for the full 60 minutes. This is your schedule. The seasonal contract starts in January and runs to April of 2024. Flexible schedule opportunities. You create your own schedule. Schedule available hours between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Sunday, weekdays and weekend options. Skills needed: sincere desire to assist the customer, tech savvy and avid computer user, ability to multitask and navigate multi-systems, communicate with a friendly tone and professional demeanor. Work environment requirements are quiet, uninterrupted space, organized desk, professional appearance, if on camera. And these are the technologies that you would need to have: a personal computer, no tablet, broadband internet connection, so forth and so on. So I would definitely leave the job link for this job in the actual video here, so that way you guys can come through and take a look. And you can also click here to view all of the open jobs that they currently have, and you can come through and see what else is available. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these roles. Super congrats to anyone who gets this role. As you can see, they have 163 jobs that are currently open. So sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, please make it an amazing day for someone else. And I appreciate you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you know anyone who's currently looking for a job role at this time, please share this job lead with them and any of the previous jobs that I've shared with you previously, guys. I thank you so much. You are the best. You are amazing. Love you lots, friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.